Welcome to this podcast for Brighton School of Business and Management students studying for the Btec Level 6 courses. For this unit you'll need to satisfy the criteria exactly as laid down in the assignment briefs and as described here, but you should wherever possible use examples from your own organisation and business sector, as well as showing evidence of having studied the unit topics in depth and breadth by referring where appropriate to relevant models, theories and established best practices. Be sure to read all of the core and supplementary study material and seek the advice of your tutor when necessary. To enhance your understanding of these assignment issues, we strongly advise that you also discuss them with senior managers and project leaders within your own organisation. We also strongly recommend that you visit the websites listed at the end of this podcast, make use of the information found there and subscribe to their newsletters in order to receive a regular flow of new information. Your response should be presented in a simple business report format and be between 1500 and 2,500 words in total, not including graphics, illustrations or the sources of information. Section 1. There is a wide range of leadership skills and attributes and leadership styles and overall approaches that can be applied to a project. You will need to describe these and explain how they could be applied by project managers. Here, do just as asked, taking into account the potential diversity involved, that is, a range of international suppliers, project teams, contractor workforces, multiple clients and multiple stakeholders, with diverse religious, social and workplace cultural influences. Section 2. Here you'll need to describe 3 currently recognised leadership theories such as contingency, situational, transformational, shared leadership, decentralised decision making, empowered follower, and then discuss, that is give your view with justification as to how each could be successfully applied to a complex, substantial international project with all of the characteristics that you have referred to in Section 1. Section 3. Here you will need to briefly describe the established commonly used leadership training and development methods such as mentoring, coaching, secondment, classroom courses and so on, and give your opinion with justification of the effectiveness, that is the value, of each. Finally, you'll need to describe the characteristics and requirements of a complex, substantial international project, one that involves multiple suppliers, project teams and specialists, a single or multiple client, and a range of external stakeholders, and propose appropriate development methods for the leader or project manager of such a project. You need to add a list of sources of information and references showing any books, websites, articles, case studies, reports, internal documents and people interviewed that you drew on in order to complete this assignment. Here is a list of websites and suggested internet searches that you should find useful when completing this assignment. If you need any further help or assistance with this assignment, please contact your tutor.